What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix you can send messages for 3 days. Okay, it says here you can send messages right now. Something you sent in a chat was found to go against our community guidelines. Your access will be restored after 3 days. If you have this problem, take a screenshot like I did, like this. Take a screenshot of this message. Okay, this happens because you have sent a picture that is coded. Okay, it's like a picture with something very bad in his head or whatever. Like you sent a picture that is very bad. That's what I mean. That is not allowed on Instagram. This is why it happened to you. So, or probably something else. Let me know in the comments why it happened to you. Now, for me, it happened because I have sent a picture and that picture is like has something wrong with that picture, and then Instagram sees it as something scam or anything like that. Now, if you want to fix this problem, guys, the first thing to do is to try to reinstall the app, delete it and upload and download it again. That's probably will help, but if it doesn't, here is a solution which worked for me to fix this problem. You want to just click three little lines in the top right of your account, as you can see, then click settings in the top, and then click help, as you can see, help. You want to click on report a problem, and then click report a problem without shaking. Now after that, guys, you want to just click on don't include and continue. Now after that, guys, you want to just take the picture. You want to just upload the picture here, as it says here, upload the picture here, as you can see. And now type here, hi Instagram, I did nothing wrong. Why I have to wait 3 days? Just type here, hi Instagram, can you fix that? I can't send a message for 3 days. I didn't do anything wrong. Just explain them what happened. Like tell them that you didn't do anything wrong. That's for fact you didn't do anything wrong. So you are not lying to them or anything like that. Because like things like this happen and you don't know what's gonna happen. Like even if the picture caused this to happen to you, you didn't know this will cause the problem. So just explain to them here, guy, hi Instagram, I did nothing wrong. Why I have to wait 3 days to send the messages again, and then click send in the top right, as you can see, and then you will be able to hear from them within a few hours. Be patient, guys, and come back to this video within a few hours, and just let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Leave a like in this video and see you guys in the next video.